If you want to see more topics on electrical and electronics engineering, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then check the link in the description below. In this video, we will see relationship between line quantities and phase quantities in star connection. So here we can see this is a star connection. It looks like a star or Y, so it is called as star connection and it is also called as Y connection. Now here we can see this R, Y, B, these are the three phases. The voltage between R and Y is VRY. The voltage between Y and B is VYB, and the voltage between R and B is VRB. These are called as line voltages and it is represented by VL. This IR, IY and this IB, these are the line current and it is represented by IL. Now here in this star connection, this is ZPH, that is phase impedance. Also this is also a phase impedance and this is also a phase impedance. Now the voltage between R and N, that is this R phase and this neutral, is VRN. The voltage between Y and N, that is Y phase and neutral, is VYN. Similarly, the voltage between phase B and neutral is VBN. Now these voltages are called as phase voltages. Then next is the current between R and N. So it is given by IRN, IYN and IBN respectively, and these currents are called as phase current and it is represented by IPH. Phase voltage is represented by VPH, line current is represented by IL and line voltage is represented by VL. Now in case of star connection, line current is equal to phase current. Here we can see this line current, this is the line current and this is the phase current. So these are equal in case of star connection, and line voltage is equal to root 3 times phase voltage. So this is the relationship between line current and phase current and line voltage and phase voltage in case of star connection. So this is about the relationship between line quantities and phase quantities in star connection. If you want to see more topics on electrical and electronics engineering, then check the playlist section of this channel. Also, if you want to buy my notes, then check the link in the description below. In this video, we will see relationship between line quantities and phase quantities in delta connection. So here we can see this is a delta connection. This R, Y, B, this forms a delta connection. Since it looks like a delta, so that's why it is called as delta connection. Now here this is R, Y, B. So these are the phases. Now here this IR represents this current, this line current or supply current. This IY represents this Y current, Y phase current, and this IB represents this B phase current. Now here the voltage between R and Y is represented by VRY. The voltage between Y and B is represented by VYB, and the voltage between R and B is represented by VRB. Now here we can see, first we have taken this R, after that this Y, here this is the Y, and then this B. So these are the three phases R, Y and B. These are the currents and these are the voltages, and this is our delta connection. Now here VRY is equal to VYB is equal to VRB. This is called as line voltage. It is represented by VL. Here we can see this VRY is equal to VYB is equal to VRB. This is called as line voltage, and this side is called as line side or supply side. So this is supply or line. So this VRY is the line voltage, this VYB is the line voltage, and this VRB is also the line voltage. Then next is line current. IR is equal to IY is equal to IB. This is called as line current, and it is represented by IL. Here we can see this IR is the line current, this IY is also the line current, and this IB is also the line current. We can easily remember this because this is on supply side or on line side. That's why these are the line voltages and these are the line currents. Then next is phase voltages and phase currents. Now here we can see between R and Y, this current is IRY. Between Y and B, this current is IYB, and the current between IB and R is IBR. Now these currents are called as phase current. Here we can see IRY is equal to IYB is equal to IBR is equal to phase current, which is represented by IPH. So these are the phase current. So this is line voltage, this is line current, and these are phase currents. Now only remaining quantity is phase voltages. So here we can see VRY is equal to VYB is equal to VRB. These are called as phase voltages. The voltage between this R and this Y, it is called as VRY, and this is the phase voltage. Also the voltage between Y and B, it is represented by VYB, and it is called as phase voltage. And also the voltage between R and B, it is represented by VRB, and also this is called as phase voltage. Now the relationship between line voltage and phase voltage in case of delta connection. The relationship between line voltage and phase voltage in delta connection is given by VL is equal to VPH, that is line voltage is equal to phase voltage, and the relationship between line current and phase current in case of delta connection is given by IL is equal to √3 IPH, that is line current is equal to √3 times phase current. So this is about relationship between line quantities and phase quantities in delta connection. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel, and thanks for watching.